This tutorial will guide you through cleaning, descaling, and emptying of your Vertuo Next machine. To clean your Vertuo Next machine, you first need to rinse and clean the water tank and the lid. Then, fill it with fresh drinking water and put it back in place. Place a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet. Open the machine head and let the used capsule be ejected. Empty and rinse the capsule container and the drip tray. Make sure no capsules are present in the machine before starting the cleaning procedure. Close the lid and turn the handle left until it is in locked position. The coffee button light will blink while the machine is heating up. It will take approximately 30 seconds. Wait for the machine to complete the heating up process. Press the coffee button 3 times within 2 seconds to start cleaning. Let the cleaning procedure complete automatically. It takes approximately 2 minutes before water begins to flow out of the coffee outlet. The cleaning operation will run automatically for 7 minutes. A steady light will appear once the cleaning is done. The procedure can be stopped at any time by pushing the coffee button. Please make sure not to use any strong or abrasive cleaning agent or solvent cleaner while cleaning your Vertuo Next machine. Descaling your Vertuo Next machine takes approximately 20 minutes and cannot be interrupted. You will need a 1-liter container and 1 unit of Nespresso descaling agent. Please note that the descaling solution can be harmful. Avoid contact with eyes, skin, and surfaces. Your machine will indicate when descaling is needed by alternately blinking 3 times orange and white. Start by emptying the drip tray and the capsule container. Fill the water tank with 1 unit of Nespresso descaling liquid and add 0.5 liter of water. For an optimized heating time, close and lock the machine to turn the machine on. If the machine is already closed and locked, simply turn the machine on by pressing the coffee button. The coffee button light will blink while the machine is heating up. Wait for the machine to complete the heating up process. Open the machine head and let the capsule be ejected. Close the machine again and leave the lever in unlocked position. To enter into descaling mode, hold the button for at least 7 seconds. The coffee button will start blinking rapidly. Please note that you now have 45 seconds to enter descaling mode. Otherwise, the machine will return to the brewing coffee mode. Lock the machine by turning the lever left to the lock symbol and unlock by turning right to the unlocked position. Hold the coffee button for at least 7 seconds. Place a container of minimum 1 liter under the coffee outlet. To start descaling, lock the machine by turning the lever left and push on the coffee button. The machine will stop automatically when the first phase of descaling is completed. Once the first phase of descaling is completed, empty and rinse the water tank and drip tray thoroughly. Fill the water tank again with fresh drinking water and put it back in place. When ready, push the button to rinse the machine. The machine will stop automatically when the procedure is completed. The coffee button's light will stop blinking rapidly and become steady. Descaling is now completed. Let the machine dry for 10 minutes before using it. Your machine is now ready to be used. Finally, to empty the system of your machine, empty the water tank and put it back in place. Unplug the power cord. Open the machine head and let the used capsule be ejected. Then, empty capsule container, the drip tray, and the cup support. Place a container under the coffee outlet. Close the head and turn the handle left to the locked position. Push and hold the coffee button while plugging the power cord back into the electrical outlet. It will take approximately 30 seconds for the machine to complete the emptying process. The machine turns off automatically when it is empty. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need any more information, please visit Nespresso.com.